Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button for any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any, and just keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So, as you can see right here, we have Tezos or XTZ with a USDT with a Tether token. Basically, right now we're sitting at $3.50. Today we are up 21 cents or nearly 22 cents, and we are up 6.63% for today. As well as Litecoin, as well as like Elrond and XRP, they all have a similar pattern with this. Today we can see that the volume surpassed the yesterday's volume, so the volatility is big today. So a lot of trades are going on right here. People are basically placing buys here. So bro, we're forming a head and shoulders move. So this will be, so if you don't see that, let me just show it for you. This could be a perfect buy right there. Yeah, right there. And this is just my prediction, okay? I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, so yeah, just chill out. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, then we push to the upside. Somewhere break these highs. I think that we will break through these highs and so on and so on. So yeah, basically the take profits will be right around here, around 416. But yeah, this is just not a financial advice, just my prediction. Yeah, let me just delete this crap. Overall, I think that Tezos right now is in a great place and a great time to buy. Like if you miss this move, you can see that the low of this candle was even lower than this. Then 29th of May, although we had a bearish candle, it does not matter. But yeah, if you did not buy a $3 mark, right now we are in the $3.50 mark. So make sure you don't miss on that too, because guy, if you miss this, like, I don't know. But again, I'm not telling you financial advice or anything like that. First of all, do your own damn research, go to their site, watch, like, Google everything that you want to know, or like watch all the other YouTube videos about Tesla before you start investing into it, and never put all your money on the one dip. Put 1/4, 1/5, even 1/3 of your money. And yeah, this is basically for today's video. Let me know what are your thoughts, and I will be seeing you guys soon. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to smash that like button. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, peace out.